Welcome to Beautyistic. Imagine waking up after a long night, looking in the mirror, and seeing those stubborn dark circles staring back at you. We've all been there. Today, we're looking at a product that promises to be your secret weapon against them. The Too Faced Born This Way Ethereal Light Illuminating Smoothing Concealer. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's find out. This concealer comes in a sleek liquid formula, packaged in a convenient 0.17 flaw ounces tube, perfect for on-the-go touch-ups. It's designed to smooth, illuminate, and cover imperfections, all while being lightweight and hydrating. One of its standout features is the inclusion of hyaluronic acid, which is known for its ability to retain moisture and plump the skin. Whether you're dealing with dark circles or blemishes, this product aims to deliver long-lasting coverage without feeling heavy. Now, I've been testing this concealer for a few weeks in different conditions, whether it was a long day at work or a night out. I applied it in the morning and noticed right away how easily it blended into my skin. It has a creamy texture that feels hydrating and soothing, and it sets fairly quickly without becoming cakey. The 04 Oatmeal shade was a perfect match for my skin, especially with its rosy undertones that brighten my under eye area without looking too stark or unnatural. Throughout the day, the concealer held up surprisingly well. I didn't notice any creasing or fading, which is a huge win for me. It also held up in various humidity levels, thanks to its waterproof claim. So if you're someone who tends to have oily skin or lives in a humid climate, this might be a solid option. However, there are a few things worth mentioning. While it provides great coverage, it's not as thick as some other full coverage concealers I've used. So if you're dealing with severe discoloration or dark spots, you might need to layer it a bit. That being said, I appreciated the fact that it didn't feel too heavy or suffocating on my skin, which is something I often find with more intense formulas. When it comes to the pros, the lightweight feel, buildable coverage, and hydrating ingredients are definite highlights. The waterproof formula is a plus for anyone who needs a product that will last all day without budging. The rosy undertones in the 04 Oatmeal shade are also great for brightening under the eyes, which is always a bonus. On the flip side, the biggest downside I found was that it might not provide enough coverage for more serious skin concerns. If you're looking for something that can fully conceal stubborn blemishes or hyperpigmentation, you might need to use a more heavy-duty product in combination with this one. Also, while it is hydrating, I wouldn't say it's the most hydrating concealer I've tried. If you're extremely dry around the eyes, you might want to look for something richer. Now let's talk about value. At this price point, Too Faced is definitely positioning this as a premium product. With the inclusion of hyaluronic acid and its versatile performance, the price does feel justified, especially if you want a concealer that's lightweight yet effective. But if you're on a tighter budget, there are alternatives out there that could get the job done at a fraction of the cost, though you might miss out on the added skincare benefits. As for durability, the packaging is sturdy and easy to use, though it might not last as long as some larger, bulkier concealers if you're using it every day. But honestly, with how little you need to use for coverage, this small tube will probably last longer than expected. If you're someone who values cruelty-free beauty products, Too Faced nails it here. The fact that it's cruelty-free adds that extra feel-good factor, especially if you're passionate about ethical beauty choices. If you're looking for similar products at a lower price, there are some solid alternatives, like the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer, which is also hydrating and offers a nice brightening effect for a fraction of the cost. So, what's the final verdict? This concealer is great for everyday use if you're after a lightweight, buildable formula with hydrating ingredients. It performs well for concealing dark circles and minor imperfections, though it may not be ideal for heavy-duty coverage. If you're looking for something that provides a more natural, glowing finish, you'll likely appreciate what this product offers. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. And remember, the link to purchase this product can be found in the comments or description box. If you've tried the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, drop a comment below. Let us know what you think. Your insights could help someone else make a decision. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.